Welcome to the channel where I discuss personal finance and investing. My name is Clarence Patrick, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to buy your first ETF utilizing the Webull app. If you like this kind of content, please consider subscribing, and while you're at it, smash that like button. I would really appreciate it. An ETF, or exchange traded fund, is an investment fund that trades on the stock exchange similar to a stock, and it will generally track an index such as the S&P 500. I prefer investing in ETFs as opposed to individual stocks because ETFs give you wide exposure across a particular index, and it takes you out of the position of having to select individual stocks to invest in. So with that, let's jump right in. Once you open the Webull app, it'll bring you to this homepage. And on this page, you'll have an opportunity to review your assets, your P&L, any open orders that have not been filled, your transaction history, and any documents that Webull may send to you at any point during the year. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to show you how to actually purchase that first ETF. So what you're going to want to do is at the bottom of the screen here is you're going to click on Markets. And then once you click on Markets, you're going to click that magnifying glass in the top right corner. And the ETF that I generally tell new investors that they should research and potentially purchase is Vanguard VOO. So that's the one that we're going to look at. We're going to look at VOO here. So I'm going to type in VOO. I'm going to select that. And what I want you to pay attention to is in the top left corner of the screen there, you're going to see VOO, so you'll know exactly which ETF or stock that you're going to purchase. It has the stock price, which as of the time of this recording of this video, it's $406.75. And on the right-hand side, it's going to have the high for the day, the low for the day, and the total number of trades that have been taking place on VOO in the last 24 hours. So it's going to have the volume there. And below that, you're going to have the option to take a look at the chart, and you can look at the 1 day, the 5 day, the 1 month, the 3 month, etc. It's also going to give you an option to take a look at any news. And this right here will generally just have information about the market, may have some news about VOO, but it's really good to kind of come in here from time to time and take a look what's going on in the market. But what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go down to the bottom left corner here, and you're going to want to hit trade. So once you come here, you're going to notice that it's going to be say buy or sell. You want to make sure that you're actually buying. And then the order type, I generally utilize two order types. It's going to be limit order or a market order. So the difference between the two is a limit order is the maximum amount that you're willing to pay for any particular position. And a market order will fill you whenever you're in the queue and whatever price that is. So if it's trading at $406.75 and by the time you place your order, it's went to $407, you will get filled at the current market price of $407. So kind of keep that in mind. I generally utilize limit the most, and that's likely going to be the option that you're going to select. But again, you can play around with that to decide which works best for you. Then what you're going to want to do is you're going to come down to the quantity section. And one of the things I really like about Webull is it allows you to purchase fractional shares. So what are fractional shares? So fractional shares are a percentage of a particular position. So for example, if VOO is trading at $406.75, but you have $50 that you want to invest for this week or for this month, you would click on the quantity section, you would type in $50, and then you would hit buy. And what it's going to do is it's going to buy $50 worth of VOO that will be deposited into your account. So once you do that, you're going to hit buy, and then you're going to hit confirm, and that's it. And you will get filled. You'll get a notification that your order was filled, and then you're going to go back to the assets page here. And once you go back to the assets page, you will see that you have position here at the bottom here. It'll show up here in my positions, and it'll show the market value of that position. So that's it, guys. I wanted to make a very quick video that got straight to the point, that showed you how to purchase your first ETF or stock position utilizing Webull. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.